In this video, we're going to explore improvising using a block triad in the right hand and a pentascale in the left hand. So let's say we're in D. Here's the D, one finger per key, pentascale in the left hand. A block triad on D in the right hand would be like this. We're going to be using block triads in the right hand and melodic idea or pentascale in the left hand. So let's say I've come up with this melodic idea. Okay? And I'm going to have this block. So I could do things like this. I could do the same thing in C. I'm going to go to F. To G. I can do that same thing, but I'm going to vary this a little bit occasionally as I feel it, as I hear it, as I want something else. Back to D, to F, I'm going to go to G, to A, etc. All right? So block in the right hand. Does it have to hold that entire time? It doesn't. Maybe I create some sort of pulse with the right hand. And I have the melody in the left. Maybe instead of this D position, I bring it down here. It's going to sound like this. Woo! I messed up. Did you catch that? It's going to sound like this. To F. To G. This could be pulsing faster. The whole thing could be faster. I'm going to speed it up. To F. G. To A. Okay. Does this need to be some sort of steady pulse, either fast or slow? It doesn't. I could create some sort of rhythm with it. I'm going to do a different melody in the left hand. So maybe there's more activity here. F. What would it sound like in different registers? I'm going to bring this, this chordal idea with that rhythm up here. I do like this melody down here. I'm liking that. Or all the things that I've been doing. But let's try it. What if everything's been moved up? So we'll do something like this. F. D. C. But you get the idea. Block triad in the right hand, pentascale material in the left hand. A simple melodic fragment that you repeat over and over, moving the hands in parallel ways to different hand positions, different chordal or pentascale positions. And you can vary the melody as you go, or it can be completely spontaneous as you go. So give that a shot. Triad, block, chord in the right hand, and pentascale or melodic material in the left hand.